Add search terms to same or different campaigns. Add to same campaign lets you quickly expand your keyword list. It identifies high-performing search terms that aren't already keywords and adds them to their respective campaigns with a single click. These search terms are like the fruits of your campaigns to know what search terms drive sales and whatnot. Use this action to harvest them. To use this action, analyze your search term report and filter for top-performing terms. For example, if you apply filter for search terms with the order greater than 5, an ACOS below 20%, and a conversion rate of more than 20%, you'll identify the strong performing search terms. Then there is the search term same as keyword column, which helps you pinpoint search terms that aren't yet targeted or part of targeting in that specific campaign. Multi-select all those terms that are not part of the campaign, click the action button, and then select the add search term in same keyword campaign option to include them as keywords in their original campaign at the CPC bid. This helps you reach more people who are looking for what you sell. Make more money from your best working search terms and improve your ad results. In case you do not want them to be added the same campaign and rather want all such harvested search terms to be added to a specific campaign and ad group, this action is all that you will need to quickly harvest these search terms and plant them in a specific campaign to grow your ad sales. Let's see how it works. Review your search term report to uncover the top performing terms. To identify them, let's filter by orders greater than 5 and an ACOS below 20%, then choose a product category. For example, if you want to boost sales for Buddha paintings, enter Buddha into the search keyword target bar. Then the table below will display relevant, high-performing search terms related to Buddha painting. Select one or more search terms, then click on the action button and select the option Add Search Term. To different campaigns, it will open a pop-up box where you choose the appropriate campaign, add group and match type, then save. By efficiently adding these proven search terms as keywords, you can enhance your Amazon ad performance with just a few clicks.